Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning channel. If you want to speak English confidently, learning new words every day is very important. So, let's start learning simple English words and their meanings. Beautiful, very pretty or attractive. Brave, who is not afraid. Honest, a person who always tells the truth. Quick, doing something fast. Happy, feeling joy or pleasure. Learn, to gain knowledge or skill. Speak, to say words or talk. Strong, having great power or strength. Smart, someone who learns and understands things quickly. Help, to make it easier for someone to do something. Love, a strong feeling of care and affection. Work, to do a job or activity. Play, to have fun by doing games or activities. Clean, dirty. Build, to make something by putting parts together. Travel, to go from one place to another. Listen, to pay attention to sound. Create, to make something new.